Hi guys, this is Union ASSA ABLOY. This is my favourite padlock. If I had to only pick one padlock out of my entire series of padlocks, this would be it. Absolutely love it. No spring tension actually on the core itself, on the shackle, so it just drops out. Fantastic. This is the bitting for the key. Let's give it a go. I do have to say, I don't find this padlock easy at all to pick. I feel that the tolerance is really good in it. Okay, give it a go. Just want to pick back of the lock, dragging it to try and find the binding pin, and a bit more tension. Feels like pin. Yeah, one. Let's give me a bit of a full set there. Still a light tension. Dragging my pick again from the back. Feels like pin 2. Pin 5. Let's give me a bit more of a full set there. Feels like 4 is binding. It's very hard to drag the pick across. One of the good ways of finding my binding pin. Try and get on it properly. Again from the back, I feel like 6, no one's to have a go. Not sure if that's set properly, but I'm going to leave it alone. Pin 4 needed setting. Again. Pin 3. Pin 2. Pin 5 again. Pin needed 1, need to do it again. Sorry about the light on this video today guys. This is my window, but it's not really helping to be honest. Pin 5. Pin 4. Pin 3. Let's pin 5 again. Pin 3. It doesn't feel like there's many pins left set in this. Pin 3 is not set. Just dragging my pick. Pin 5. There we go. It feels like pin 4. You'll feel set. So pin 5 to 5, pin 6, 5, pin 4, 5, pin 3, 5, pin 2, pin 1. So what it is, I'm actually stuck on one spool, I believe. Now in this lock there's 2 standards pins and 4 spools. So 6, 5, come on you bugger. Bit of movement there. No movement on 3. Slight movement on 5. No movement on 6. I'm just going to check the stack. I may have actually picked one of these, so I'm just going to bounce it to range. There we go, it was pin 1. After all that, that's the trouble by putting these in at the front, at the top, sorry. It does block pin 1 sometimes, and you've picked it, and I could have been there for 4 minutes and the lock was actually picked and I didn't realise. But there we go anyway. Just look at that, how it drops out there. Just magnificent padlock. Cheers guys.